Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the ignition switch, also known as run crank, guys. Fuses, relays on GMC Terrain. We're talking about the generation here from year 2010 to 2017. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Ignition switch, also known as run crank, fuses, relays, come guys to show you where you can find them on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now here, we need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. Right here, this is the driver's side. You see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a tab here, one here. Release them, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So now, for the ignition switch, run crank, which fuses, relays we need to check? We're going to start by checking fuse number 20, very important fuse right here that you will guys need to check. Then we're going to go and switch to fuse number 42, which is actually this fuse right here, very important fuse. Next we're going to go to fuse number 52, right here. After that we need to locate fuse number 53, which is that one right there. Okay, and after that we need to locate fuse relay 66 here and relay 68. Now guys, also you may need to find, if you have problems with the ignition switch, run crank, relay, the theft deterrent system, the alarm fuse and relay, and the body control module fuses and relays. If you do not know where they're located, if one of those goes bad, it can cause the ignition switch not to work as well. We'll have the videos about the BCM, body control module fuses and relays, and the alarm fuse and relay on that GMC Terrain. You can find out the videos on our YouTube channel. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.